Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to zoom animation effect tutorial on CapCut. So it's super simple, just going to open the CapCut apps and tap on new project, select the images you want to edit. And I already have a project and I haven't added images. So how to add zoom particle animation, just tap on the clip, select animation in the button and select in animation. So just scroll to the right and you can find a zoom 1 and zoom 2. Just select zoom 1 for the first clip, select check mark, and second clip animation in, select zoom 2, third clip animation, and zoom 1 again, and the last clip zoom 2 again, tick mark. So this is the result. Okay, that's how to zoom animation effect tutorial on CapCut. This super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. You can click thanks button for appreciate, and thank you so much for watching.